1 Minute English. In this 1-minute lesson, we are going to have a look at some different uses for be supposed to. Be supposed to can mean to be expected to do something. The bus was supposed to come 15 minutes ago. It's supposed to rain on Wednesday. Another meaning for be supposed to is people say. I've never been, but that restaurant's supposed to be really good. We also use be supposed to talk about rules or what someone is allowed to do. You are not supposed to eat or drink in the classroom. Give it a go. Try making a sentence using be supposed to and leave it in the comments below. If you like our videos, please share with a friend.